people, 42% of the exam. Most of you guys and girls in oil and gas that I've worked with in your individual firm, you're good with people, right? I don't find a whole lot of people failing the people domain. Where I find a lot of problems is the process domain, and that's 50%. So you want to look to process very heavily. And then business. And then remember, the exam is half agile and hybrid and half predictive. So the people domain, high level, very quick run through. I'm not going to spend much time here, but it's just a reminder. You got to manage conflict, lead a team, support team performance, empower team members and stakeholders, ensure team members and stakeholders are adequately trained, and build a team. This first six, to do well on this, you got to know your Hersey-Blanchard model. Can I get a yes if you remember the Hersey-Blanchard model very well? Just put a one in the chat. If the answer is yeah, give me a one.